Honey Jalapeño Fried Corn.
So you're telling me that a honey jalapeno fried this corn?
No.
This
this spicy honey fried corn, and you're gonna love it. Honey Jalapeño Fried Corn, it's creamy, buttery, and full of flavor. Let me show you how to make this side dish at home on your Blackstone. Let's get this prepped by dicing up some red bell pepper. You can add any colors that you want to this. Also adding a jalapeno diced up because this is honey jalapeno fried corn. We'll drop down some oil and butter to mix on the Blackstone to keep that butter from burning. You can use fresh corn, but frozen corn does the job. Onto the griddle, toss it throughout that butter and oil and let it start to thaw. In the center of that, I'm gonna drop down a little more butter and oil and our veggies. Let them get coated and then toss everything together. This is going to cook so super fast. So let's sprinkle a little bit of our honey jalapeno seasoning on this. Now to bring that creaminess, we're adding cream cheese, Philadelphia, because that's where I'm from. Spicy jalapeno cream cheese. Mix that up, let it melt throughout. You can see how everything is just bubbling and sizzling on the griddle. The last thing we need is a little drizzle or a big drizzle of some honey, a little salt and pepper, and then you want to quickly get this off of that Blackstone, plate it up. We're going to go over it with a little fresh parsley just to garnish it and add a little more color, an extra drizzle of honey, and of course it wouldn't be any Blackstone dish without a post dust of our honey jalapeno seasoning. Now it's time to try this. I'm so excited. It is so delicious. I seriously love the kick of spiciness from the cream cheese and the jalapeno, but it's got that beautiful sweetness from the honey and the honey in our seasoning. Perfect side dish. You guys gotta make this on your Blackstone at home or turn it into a dip with some tortilla chips. Either way, I know you're gonna love it. So take it, make it, and post a picture. I cannot wait to see you guys enjoying this as much as I do.